this is Joe Hill from DoneRight Management. I happen to be doing a quick video tutorial on Fairway Retreat, which is located at 731 Fairway Drive. We're just off the fairway. As you can see, you got the green right here. Just walk across the little bridge and off you go. So this is a fairly straightforward, very easy system to operate. Now what we have is DirecTV and a DVD Blu-ray player, and that would be it. So right here you've got your power buttons and the source button. So you have HDMI 2 and HDMI 1. HDMI 1 happens to be the CD player, DVD. So HDMI 1, and that gets you to the DVD player. HDMI 2 will put you back to DirecTV. So if you have any further questions and need help in any way, you can reach out to us. The landline phone number is 208-634-0030. So I hope you're having a great time. Enjoy yourself. If you have any further questions, please give us a call. Cheers.